This demo is going to show you how I would personally use Signature and how to use it to find winning trades. Now, of course, you open Signature from the main hub and you get a window like this. Now, the first thing I want to point out is in all of our lists, you can sort these columns by clicking the column. You click it once, it sorts ascendingly, and you click it again and it sorts descendingly. In the case of looking at ratings, I would want to sort by rating. So right now, let's see, now I'm at the top ratings. I had to click it twice because at first it sorted by lowest to highest. Now it's sorting from highest to lowest. You could even sort by signature hit as follows. See, I click once, click twice. See, now I have the top signature hits versus the rating, in case I want to walk through them that way. Another way I like to sort is by volume change, which is that column there. Volume change means how much more volume or less volume that stock is doing against its normal volume. See, this stock here would be a terrible selection because it's 81% below its normal volume. That means there's no trading interest in it, so that's not a good deal. If I sort the other way and I want to look at the high volume stocks, this stock here is trading 760% above its normal. That would be a good pick if other indicators look fine. Its rating is 57.7 and so on. But anyway, the way I usually do this is first you have to decide whether you want to do a long or a short. In other words, which side of the market you want to be on. Right now I'm on long by default. If you click this short radio button, the whole signature window changes. And it changes to what we call the short scores, meaning that these scores, these ratings, tell you the chances of the stock declining. Because there are people out there that like to go short. Now, which one I choose, whether I go long or short, depends on the market direction. How do you know market direction? Well, the easiest way is to go back to the Trader Hub and look at markets. Right now, the market is trending upwards because there's a green arrow here on the market trend, and there's a green light. That means at the moment it's trending higher. So I would tend to lean towards the long side. Okay, let's go back to stock signature. And this is not as complicated as you might think. I sort by rating, all right? I'll start at the top rated stock as I'm sorting now by the highest to lowest ratings. And I look at the stock, I look at the charts. See, the beauty about this is using the arrow keys, you can just sort of page down the list and examine charts. That's basically all I do. People wonder how I come up with, a good solid track record. That's all I do. I look at various factors, and I'll just go over a few just to give you an idea, and I'll think out loud. This stock is the highest rated stock. One thing I like about it is you can zoom in on the chart. By clicking the chart once, you can zoom in. I like this stock as it looks like there might be a trend reversal going on. You see how it's declining there? To do some drawing tools. It's declining, you see, but then all of a sudden it looks like it may be reversing. So I would consider that one. Let's go down to the next one. Okay, what's good about this one is it's sitting on support, what we call support. How do I know that? Well, I can just tell by looking at it because the support line is right there. Because in the past, when it's hit that mark, it's rallied, okay? And it's right at that mark again right now. So that's a good one for a bounce. Next one here. You see, I don't see any compelling reason to like that one. As a matter of fact, it's actually near resistance. Resistance would be right there, okay? Because it doesn't like to get above that line. So that would be, I would rule that one out. See how I screen these? This same problem, this thing is near resistance. You can tell that, right? By just drawing a line there. See, there's your resistance. Actually, it's a little bit above that. It's It's like right there. But that's where the stock is. It's at resistance. So that would be a bad bet as well. I'll do one more. Same problem. That stock is near resistance. See that? So of those top 5, I like that guy. And I like that one. That's it. I like those top 2. So now if you want to practice trading those, you just click the paper trade button and off we go. And by the way, I'm looking at the daily scores. In other words, the scores computed for daily time period. In other words, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, that sort of thing. You could also click intraday, which is more of a fast in and out day trade sort of thing. Look at that. This guy has 100, a score of 100. This would be an outstanding day trade just by the pure score. What that's telling you is that this stock, it's saying that when it's near, okay, what signature here is saying is that when it's near its upper band, upper or lower band, okay, when it's near its lower band of support and resistance, it tends to rally, which it is right now on a 15-minute chart. Let's see if that's true. 15-minute chart. Yeah, look at that. See, signature has caught that for us if we want to do a fast trade. Look at that beautiful line right there. You see that? That stock has bounced almost every time on that line. Boom, boom, boom. And there it is again. Its signature is telling us that its track record is 100% in the past has bounced off of its support line. So there you go. There's money to be made with this, and you're not going to find anything as powerful as signature.